Build real relationships with people who have access to opportunities. When most people hear this, they think it means to know a lot of people, but that's not what it means. Now you're standing in front of 30 agents, all of whom have multiple listings. You bring value, you build trust with them, you become top of mind. That agent today already sending me more deals, already has those listings, already has more clients. I don't need to go find those. I just need to build trust with her. I call this a one-to-many relationship. In marketing, if you send mailers out, for example, that's a one-to-one marketing system. You send one mailer to one person and you hope that they may need or want your services. If you build a relationship with a good property manager or real estate agent, and they have many clients, or the broker of record at the firm has many agents who have many clients, this is a one-to-many relationship that grows exponentially faster than one-to-one. And now you're plugged into all of their pipelines. And most importantly, you get one thing. It's the most important thing in business besides cash: leverage. That's leverage. One-to-many relationships like that. You're not working harder. You're working through relationships that multiply your opportunities. Stop thinking like a cleaner. Start thinking like a connector. The money is not in the job. It's not in the mop. It's not in the supplies. The money is in trust, positioning, and relationships. That's how you turn one job into 20K a month in profit. Now, look, you can absolutely build a great business just staying behind your laptop. You can run ads, you can answer calls, you can book jobs, and it works. There's a lot of people in the program that do great. But if you really want to step out, even just a little bit, shake hands, show your face, and build real trust in person, you will separate yourself instantly, because most people won't do it. They hide behind the screen, they avoid the discomfort, they miss the opportunity sitting right in front of them. And here's the truth. The high-end clients, the $2,000 jobs, the 20K per month relationships, they're not hiding. They're just waiting. They're waiting for someone that they trust. High-end clients don't pay for cleaning. They pay for peace of mind. And once they trust you, they don't just hire you, they keep you. Those are my thoughts for today. If you have any questions or you want to apply, you can apply. Send me an email, john@johnmargalit.com. Let me know, shoot me an email. I'll send you the application or I'll answer your question.